Hey guys, Brendan Seeley here with Dan Davidson.
Hey y'all.
We are here today to have some fun. Of course, he's got the brand new release, Juliet, the EP. Make sure you go out and get it. Now, Dan is a very fun guy. He's a man-child like myself.
Yeah?
We like to do stuff that are a little bit different. If you've seen his music videos, he likes to have a good time. In Cinderella, he does stop-motion Lego, so I thought we'd have some fun today and have a Lego build-off. 5 minutes to build up the tallest structure, and then we will see if it will withstand some breeze afterwards. Whoever has the highest and can withstand it will win, and we'll have some fun with it.
Alright, structural integrity.
Yeah.
That's the name of the party.
All right. 5 minutes on the clock. Ready, set, go.
If your love was 100 proof, I get all messed up on you. Maybe get a real bad tattoo. I know it's gonna hurt, but it's gonna be worth it. If love was dollars and dimes, I'd spend it all on your time, just to get another second with you. I don't care if I'm broke, as long as you know that I'm all in. All my cards down on the table. Gonna love you till I ain't able. I can't help myself. Oh baby, sink or swim. Every kiss just pulls me deeper. The more I get, the more I need you. I can't help myself. Oh no, I can't help myself. If your love was a country song, I'd probably get the words all wrong, but I'd sing it till my voice was gone. As long as you're laughing, I'm cool with that. So I cross my heart, no faking. Here's a promise I ain't breaking, baby. I'm all in. All my cards down on the table. Gonna love you till I ain't able. I can't help myself. Oh baby, sink or swim. Every kiss just pulls me deeper. The more I get, the more I need you. I can't help myself. Oh no, I can't help myself. I'm all in. All my cards down on the table. I'm gonna love you till I ain't able. I can't help myself. Oh baby, sink or swim.